What's up, everybody? It's Giuseppe again. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to use AI and Chat GPT to build out the frequently asked questions portion of a web page to make sure that we're capturing all that different traffic that we need for the website and that we're answering questions for the customers who are going to have them when they come to visit your website. Let's get into it. Okay, everyone. So to get started on building out our frequently asked questions portion of the website, we're going to jump into Ahrefs and have a look at some of the keywords that we're going to be using for the different prompts using AI. So start here, end here. It's kind of a thing we're going to go through. Here's some simple terms that are getting searched often. So, okay, cool. We have them all here. Now what we're going to do is just keep things super simple, build a prompt that's going to give us the questions that we're looking for. So let's let Chat GPT know what we're doing. So please, because I'm Canadian, I guess obviously, give me a list of questions. Please give me a list of questions that I could place on a FAQ web page for a deck railing installation company in Kelowna. So, all right. We got 10 questions here, and let's roll through them. Certainly, here are some questions. So, what types of deck railings do you install? How do I determine which type is best for my home? What are the benefits of installing a deck railing? Do you offer custom deck railing design? How long does deck railing installation process take? What is the cost of deck railing installation? So we have all the questions here. So now that we have those questions, I'm just going to pull this over, and I'm going to say, please answer the following questions for a FAQ page on a website for a deck railing installation company in Kelowna, BC. Okay, so let's see. Let's say this question here is like not the greatest, like our deck railing is designed to weather conditions, rain, wind, and snow. Cool, that's fine. But let's say we want a little bit more. So let's go, please answer the following question. Question in depth for a fact. I'm just going to add in depth, and I'm going to go like this, and let's see if it comes up with a different answer. So now that we have all our answers, like I said before, I'm going to take these to the client. We're going to go through them together, make sure that they're honest answers, that they actually make sense for the service and products that they offer. And if that all works, from here, all I'm going to do is take these right into the website. So as an example, are your deck railings suitable for all weather conditions? We'll go over here. As you can see, I was already doing one, and I was like, I wanted to include you guys in it. So I backed up a little bit. I'm just going to grab that. Going to grab that. Boom. And update. So now we have answers to our questions. And this is all you have to do to really get going. It's a matter of understanding your prompts, understanding what's important to the customer, and what kind of questions you want to answer. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today. And yeah, have a great rest of your week. See you later.